Hi everyone, good afternoon. Shubhi, Swetha, Neeraj. How are you all?
Good afternoon. Good. How
Good
are you?
afternoon.
I'm also good. Thank you. Okay. So yesterday we read about where do we live, how to say all these things, na? Where I come from, where do I live, which languages I speak, and all those things. Apart from that, we also introduced each other, isn't it?
Yes.
Correct? Okay. Let's do one exercise in Ubung's book, page number 11. This is the conversation between these three people. From that, you have to find out about Eileen, Sarah, and Nils. Where are they living currently? Wo, and where are they from? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. You can read the conversation on my screen or on your device. Find out these things for all of them.
Done.
Everyone done? Neeraj?
A bit confusing, but even though.
It is a little bit confusing
Yeah.
It's a little bit confusing. I know it's a little bit
because the
confusing.
chat is not properly
Mm,
in order.
That's
correct.
why I gave it to you.
That's
Okay.
how. Last only I found the color difference.
Yes. Okay. Shall we do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shubhi?
Yeah.
So Island, where does she lives? Wo wohnt sie?
Berlin. She's come from Berlin, but I
Because
think
yeah,
She
it is
she
lives
not
comes
also
from
in
Berlin. That's correct.
Berlin, but
Okay. But where does she lives? You don't? Where does she, live? You don't know that. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Let's go to Sarah. What about Sarah? Where does she live?
She's come from Stuttgart, and I think she lives in Berlin.
no, Frankfurt, right?
She is from
No.
Frankfurt
Yeah.
and she lives in Berlin.
So first one is Sarah is asking, right?
Wait, first. Okay. Let's read it. Okay? Then we will be very clear. Now, this sort of arrangement is for island. This shape. Okay?
Okay.
This shape is Eileen. So, hello, my name is Eileen. Ich komme aus Berlin. Very straightforward. She has mentioned I'm from Berlin. Okay, one thing is sorted. Now, this is for some other person, this color coding or this type of shape. Hallo Eileen, du kommst aus Berlin, das ist super. Ich wohne in Berlin. I live in Berlin, but she has not mentioned the name. Now Eileen asks, Hallo Berlin, wie heißt du? So, oh, Entschuldigung, ich heiße Sarah. So, ich heiße Sarah und ich wohne in Berlin. Got it?
Yeah.
These two
Sarah
are
live in
connected. So, ich wohne in Berlin. So, Sarah lives in Berlin.
Lives in Berlin.
Sarah, das ist schön. Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Frankfurt. So, for Sarah, we are sorted. She is from Frankfurt and she lives in Berlin. Okay, so far so good? Okay. Now, some third person comes up and he says, Ich komme aus Frankfurt. And now, this Sarah says, Wer bist du? Ich bin Nils. Hallo Sarah. Hallo Eileen. Und Sarah, woher kommst du? Okay, so ich komme aus Frankfurt. Ich komme aus Frankfurt. Who says that?
Nils.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And now he asks, Hallo Sarah, woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Stuttgart. Und ich wohne in Stuttgart. Whose shape was this?
The Eileen.
Eileen. So Eileen, she lives in
Stuttgart.
Stuttgart and she is from Berlin. Nils, wohnst du auch in Stuttgart? Nein. Ich wohne in Frankfurt. So Nils lives also in Frankfurt and is also only from Frankfurt. No other place. Confusing, na? It was very confusing, na?
Yeah.
So here
Then
after
still I didn't
I
get it.
just kept on
Sarah.
I just kept on cutting the places.
Ma'am, can you just explain about Sarah?
Sarah,
Yeah,
okay.
ich wohne in Berlin, that is understood. And where does she live? That is where it is given.
Sarah, woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Stuttgart. She mentions here.
Okay.
So in this left side, Nils is just he's saying, right? Ich komme aus Frankfurt. Suddenly he's saying,
Yeah. He suddenly popped up with a message. Ich komme aus Frankfurt. He didn't
that is
introduce.
a problem.
And then someone asked him, Wer bist du? Who are you? And then and like that.
Are these kind of questions going to come in the certification exams? Like these confusing types?
No. It's just brainstorm so that you can apply your brains and all.
Yeah. Okay.
A1 certification, you are going for A1 certification, Neeraj?
No, A2.
A2, na? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, such kind of questions doesn't come. No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Now I will share one PPT with you guys. Just give me a minute. Yes. Can everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
Now, yesterday on page number 12, we had one term called as Wavefrage. Just a second, if I have my course book opened. No, I'll have to open it. Yes. Here. Wavefrage. Okay. One type of questions, Wavefrage. Okay. So today I'm going to explain you that. What is Wavefrage? There are two types of questions. So first one is Wavefrage. The other type we will learn a little later. Wavefrage, the questions, Frage means questions. The questions that starts with W words are Wavefrage. Okay, the questions that starts with W words are Wavefrage. Okay, these W words we have already come across. Like V is how, wie heißt du? How are you called? Okay, or wo. Wo means where. Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? Okay, wo wohnst du means where do you live? Woher kommst du? Woher means from where. From where do you come? Where is who? Wer bist du? Who are you? Was? Was magst du? Was magst du? What are you doing? And welche? Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Which languages do you speak? So such W words, okay, and the questions that start with these W words are Wavefragen. Okay, the sentence structure is simple for them. The first is obviously the W word, we, wo, where, whatever. Second place is occupied by verb, and verb will be conjugated as per the subject that you are using. If you are referring to do, it would be different. If you are referring to Z, capital SIE, it would be different. If you are referring to er, Z, whatever. Okay, so all according to them, the verb will be changed. For example, if it was wie heißt du, but it would be wie heißen Sie. Woher kommst du? Woher kommen Sie? Was magst du? Was machen Sie? Was macht er? Woher kommt er? No, from where does he come? Woher kommt er? Okay. Yeah. Is it clear
Yeah.
to everyone? Shubhi and Neeraj as well?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask a question.
Yeah.
Yes, Shubhi.
So, in the course book, there was a table in which there were like question and answer, in which they represent like there was like we, wo, woher, and then in the end it was do, and the answer was there for that. So with we, wo, woher, we can use all of that, right? Do, z, and see.
Yes,
Like we
Shubhi.
can
Yes,
at
Shubhi.
the end.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, definitely.
Okay.
See, for example, I'll write 3 different questions with single word, W word, okay? Just give
Yeah.
me. Okay. For example, you choose woher, okay? So woher, common, Sie, woher kommst du, woher kommt er? Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommst du? Woher kommt er? As per the subject, the verb at the second place were differently conjugated. Okay. Although for Z and do, the answers would be same. Okay. Why same? It would be, should be.
For C and for do. For do we use bist and for C we use
Answer.
sin, no?
For example, wo hai common Z? If you ask me, wo hai common Z? Ish,
Ish.
komme, aus, whatever. And
Yeah.
if you ask me, wo hai comes to, then also I'll say ish, komme, aus.
Ish. Yeah.
Why so?
Right.
This is the question.
Because
Why?
formal and informal.
Exactly. It is only the
form.
second person. How you are
Yeah.
addressing the person, that's your choice. But the person
Yeah.
will obviously say ish only. Correct? That
Yeah.
is okay. But yes, you can use with Z, do, air, even small SIE, she. So anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it now clear?
Yeah.
Good. Anything else? Anyone else want to ask?
Excuse me, ma'am. What's the meaning of er? E-R?
He.
Okay. Oh, that one also we can say, right?
Yeah. For example, I asked Neeraj about you. Yeah.
Okay.
Woher kommt sie? Where does she come from? Yeah. Where is she from? Yeah. Like that. Okay. Okay. Can I stop sharing this?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's come to Ubum's book, same page, page number 11. Now we have to make some sentences and some Vefrage here. Okay. Vefrage to you know, it starts from W words. Second position, it would be verb and then the remaining. How about the sentences? Sentences, always the second place would be occupied by the verbs. First place, it can be subject. Okay, right now you have very small sentences, so it starts from the subject. So right now, let's just concentrate on first place subject, second place verb and the remaining. So first one was in Berlin, wohnen ich. So with ich, what is the conjugation of wohnen? It is wohne. So ich wohne in Berlin. Second one was sie heißen wie. So we will come at first place. Second place shall be occupied by a verb. What is the subject here? It is capital SIE. With that, heißen remains heißen. So we heißen sie. Is it clear or it just went over the head?
Yeah. Like what were we supposed to do in this?
Just reorder.
Just, you have to make sentences.
Yeah, the
or
first one was understood that they corrected the correct won and like won into won because that's what we use with ish.
Correct.
But like in second one, there was
Because in
no
second
change.
one, Heisen remains Heisen with Z.
Okay.
Because it is capital Z. No? That's why they didn't correct
Yeah.
it. They put it as it
Okay.
is.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it
So,
even clear what is supposed to be done here?
one question. So, actually, what we have to do, we have to arrange the things and make it a
Arrange,
sentence.
yeah, you have to make a meaningful sentence out of it or a meaningful question out of it. The proper sentence structure or the proper question structure you should be able to make.
So the spelling mistake will be we have to change.
Yes, you will have to conjugate the verbs. Okay, verb conjugation should be proper, na? With ish, it will be vona, not vonan. So we'll have to check what is the subject. Oh, ish is the subject, then vonan will not be coming. It would be vona.
So
Okay.
what is the meaning of that dark and black color, the main heading, Ausgesetzt und Frage?
Ausgesetzt und W-Frage means sentences and W questions.
Okay, then order.
Ordnen Sie die Sätze in die Tabelle. You have to order these sentences in the table. You have to write them down in the table. Here you will write the sentences and here you will write down the questions. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, let's wait for Sweta and Shubhi.
Done.
All of you done?
Done.
Okay. So first and second were already done. Neeraj, what about the third one?
Wer bist du?
Wer bist du? Sehr einfach. Just a second, I'll also write down. Wer bist du? Okay. Sweta, fourth one.
Okay. Ich komme aus Moscow.
Moscow. Moscow. Okay. Shubhi, fifth one. Is Shubhi there? Is Shubhi, you are on mute, huh?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't frame this one. Like I didn't understand only the fifth one only.
You didn't understand. Acha, Shubhi.
No, like
What
I
is the
did the
verb?
remaining ones, but this one I
Okay,
didn't understand.
no problem. You tell me first thing. What is the verb here?
Yeah. Verb is heißen.
Very good. Now, can you tell me what is the conjugation of heißen with air? E-R, air.
Yeah,
Look on the course
it's
book. Look in the course book. You will get the conjugation.
yeah, it's ist.
Heißt.
Yeah,
Correct? It is heißt.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Now, what did I told you about the verb position? Where should it come?
In the middle.
In the middle, on the second position, always.
Yeah.
Correct? So,
Yeah,
it will start with what? Air. Correct?
yeah,
Okay. So, air and then verb was heißt and Peter.
yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, I couldn't get the table for this one. Like,
For heißen.
yeah, for heißen with air. That table.
Okay. 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 I guess it would be on the last one. I'll see that. Yeah, actually, it is on the last page of the chapter as well, on the page number 17. No worries, I'll send you the photo as well. Okay,
Okay, I got it.
got
Yeah, I
it?
got it now. Yeah.
Needed sixth one.
Woher kommst du?
Sweta, seventh one.
Who wants to?
Okay, that was eighth one, but okay, I'll write it. Wo wohnst du? Shubhi, do the seventh one.
I think it will be my name is Nina.
Correct. My Nama is Nina. Okay.
Yeah.
A little bit glimpse how you make a sentences and how you make W questions. We fraga. Okay. Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. So what's the meaning of scene? SCIN?
What is the meaning of Sein?
S.
Sein
Sein.
means to be. Sein means to be.
Okay.
Usually all the verb endings are like similar, no? Like for example, for ish, we will
No,
add
Neeraj.
e.
If it is regular verb, if it is a
Okay.
regular verb, then yes, the verb endings would be more or less similar. But if
Okay.
it is an irregular verb, no, it won't be. And there are few verbs which you will have to learn by heart. One of them is sein,
Okay.
by heart. Okay,
Okay.
few
Okay.
verbs. Okay, few irregular verbs would be like a little bit easy to learn because only one or two form of conjugation you will have to learn. Remaining you can conjugate in the regular way. And
Okay.
regular verbs are very easy to conjugate. So yeah, it's a mixture of all. Okay,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
most
And
80% of the verbs are regular verbs, so you know how to conjugate them. So it's not that tough.
Okay.
um,
Yeah, someone else was also asking something.
yeah, I was asking something.
Yeah, Sweta.
So here this sign bin best, no?
Yeah,
So why they have given here's like I didn't get.
orange.
They have to arrange or what?
Why they are given here? What is the question?
No, my question is here they written like ish, then one and one table, then common that table, then sign bin best is sint.
Because
Right?
sein is a irregular verb.
So where we will use all this?
No. It is
Along
not.
with ish.
Normally, you will use it, Sweta. But the conjugations of irregular verb is very irregular. Regular verbs have a similar kind of pattern. Their endings would be similar. If you notice both of them, wohnen and common. Wohna, E ending, comma, E ending. Wohnst, ST ending, kommst, ST ending. Wohnt, kommt, wohnen, common. Similar kind of endings. But that's
Okay.
not the case with sein. It is an
Okay.
irregular verb. That's why that is not the case.
So, ma'am,
Oh.
here, like this bin must be meaning like am, and this
Yes.
must be meaning
Yes.
you
You
are,
are.
and then
He is.
is
She
and
is.
synth. Synth
Synth
means
is also you are. But
you are,
it
right,
indicates
formal one.
formal one.
Z
Right.
is also taken as they also, no?
Yeah, that will also come a little bit.
Yeah.
For now, you have already been introduced only with these these pronouns. Okay.
Okay, these are R forms, right? Bist means R, sint means R, ARE. You are,
Yes.
you are. Oh, it's according to informal and formal way, you know, the verbs and
They have
conjugations.
changed it so
concept,
that
yeah.
you can figure out.
Oh.
Okay, the pronoun as well. Yes. That's why the difference has been kept. Yes. Okay. Shall we move ahead?
Yeah.
Now, let's learn some numbers. Okay. Next page is Zahlen und Buchstaben. Zahlen, numbers,
Oh.
book. Yeah, anyone?
Buchstaben.
Okay. Zahlen is numbers, Buchstaben is letters. So right now we will be learning numbers 0 to 20. Numbers above 21 we will learn a little later. Okay. So from 0 to 20 we have to learn the numbers right now. Okay. I'll play one audio and there you will understand you will hear the pronunciation of these numbers. Can I play the audio?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay. So numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Shubhi, can you please repeat after me?
Yeah.
0,
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20.
Okay. One thing, always we, most of the time, okay, would be pronounced as fur. Fur.
Yeah.
It is not via, it would be fear. Okay, we have the tendency because it is we, so we tend to pronounce it as via, it would be fear. Fear, fearsehen, like that. Okay. Sweta, would you repeat?
Yeah.
0,
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
One more thing I wanted to tell you. If you see here, E and then I comes, correct? The sound is I. The sound is I. Zwei. Drei. But here I and then E comes. The sound is E. Vier. Sieben. Okay? Why this why I'm telling you this? The pronunciation becomes easy for you if you consciously make efforts. Okay? EI is IE is E. Zwei, drei, vier. Okay? Sweta, we will start once again. 0,
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
4,
6, sechs,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20.
20.
Neeraj, can you repeat on your own?
Yeah. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay. Please remember, Zexane doesn't have S as in Zex. It is not Zexane, it is Zexane. And Zeebzane doesn't have Zeban. It is not Zebanzane, it is Zeebzane. Okay. Now, what we will do, we will make a train. Shubhi will start with null, then Sweta will say 1, Neeraj will say 2. Again, Shubhi, Sweta, Neeraj. Like that. Okay? Is the game clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Please start from null.
0,
1.
No, no. Shubhi will
Why?
say only null. Sweta will say eins. Okay?
I said
Yeah.
1.
Yeah. Okay. Start again, Shubhi.
0,
1,
Why?
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19,
20.
Very good. Okay? Now, one more thing we have to do here. Now, we know the numbers, now. So, everyone, Shubhi, Sweta, and Neeraj, you have to tell your mobile numbers, okay, in German. So, Shubhi, you will tell it to
yeah.
Sweta, and then Shweta will tell it in English, and then you will say if it's correct or wrong, if she has got the
Okay.
correct number or not. Sweta,
Okay.
you will tell your number in German numbers, and then Neeraj will say it in English, and you will have to tell if it's correct or not. Neeraj
Okay.
will say it to Shubhi. Shubhi will say in English, and Neeraj will let you know if it's correct or not.
Okay.
Yeah. So first of all, write
Yeah.
your number and first practice once in German how
Yes,
to
ma'am.
say
It
that.
is actually I did it earlier, so I myself practiced with it with my own number only. First, it was difficult, but it makes it easy after doing this.
So first, write your number and then practice it once. How will you say that number in German? And then you will say to each other. Okay. This way you also learn your number in German because that comes up in your even exam, even it. Okay. So you should know how to tell your number, address, everything in German. Am I clear? Shubhi, Shweta, Neeraj?
Yeah.
Giving
Yeah.
you 2-3 minutes. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Shubhi?
Yeah.
Shubhi will be saying to Swatha, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, start, Shubhi. Swatha, you have to note down, okay?
Okay.
9, 3, 0, 0, 4, 6, 3, 1, 0, 0.
Shall she repeat again, Swatha?
Sorry.
Shall
Shall
she
I
repeat
repeat?
again?
Okay. I already wrote, even then I will check it.
Okay. 9, 3, 0, 0, 4, 6, 3, 1, 0, 0.
Okay. Okay, done.
Okay, what is the number?
9300463100.
Yeah.
Is that correct,
It's
Shubhi?
correct.
Good.
Yeah, it's
Great.
correct.
Very good. Swatha, your turn. You have to say it to Neeraj.
Okay. Eins. Hello.
Neeraj, you will have to note it down, okay?
Yeah,
Hello. Can I say?
just a second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Eins. Fünf. Fünf. Eins.
2
Null.
times.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 5, 5.
Eins. 0. 1. 4. 9. 7. 8. 7.
Yeah.
Can I repeat?
Yeah, just repeat once more.
Okay. Eins. 5. 5. 1. 0. 1. 4. 9. 7. 8. 7.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the number, Neeraj?
15510149787.
Yes.
Is that correct, Swatha?
Yeah.
Great. Good. Now, Neeraj, it's your turn to tell your number to Shubhi.
Okay. Just a second. 8, 4, 2, 4, 8,
1 second.
1.
8, 4.
Okay, yeah. 5,
Yeah.
8,
Can
4,
you tell
2, 4.
from swine? What? Okay, okay. Right?
8, I'm telling it
Hello?
from the starting. 8,
Okay.
4, 2, 4, 8,
Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
4, 8,
Okay.
9, 0.
Okay. It's 8424814890.
Yeah.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now, you will have to, this is how you say your numbers, and you will be asked if you prepare for the even certification. They ask you your mobile number or your address, whatever. I was asked my mobile number. I still remember. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Great. Then tomorrow we will do a few exercises based on the numbers. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining in today, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.